moderate the first session for today. My name is Gabriela Teodorescu, and I'm from Valahia University of Targoviste from Romania. And together with Professor Sanjay Swami from Central Agriculture University, Imphal, India. He is the co-chair of this session. Try to share with you very nice moments and very scientifically. This field, sustainable agriculture, organic farmer, and agro-biodiversity, I think there are subjects important for all of us, because all people need food, need clean food, need to live in a clean environment, and to have the assurance for a very good life. So for me, and I think, and I'm sure that for Professor Sanjay, will be very, very happy to moderate all this session, because we will start with a prestigious specialist from different countries, from Tajikistan, from Bosnia-Herzegovina, from Romania, and of course from India. So we will have information about this field regarding the agro-biodiversity and sustainable agriculture from all over the world, I can say. And I am sure that the information will be very, very fruitful for everybody. To not lose much time, because Professor Havis have the first presentation.